If you're watching this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Yo, Candy, now you're Friday now.
Yo, Rasta, no bother the bag of chatting. Yo, Candy, hold this. No, go on here. Yo, Rihanna, come and talk to you. Know, say, last night I didn't sleep good night at all. Yeah, really? Me not think I want to do one more night or so. So I think the best thing to do. I just the Candy gun, I don't have one big gun already. And the things that you can monitor.
Yeah, man, should
two
do
rest of them. Yeah, I think you can monitor two rest of them. The police come morning.
Alright, then we could get some from there now.
Me and Rihanna decide say we're going now. So here we are going to watch it two of them till the morning.
Yeah, man.
Police will come pick them. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Rihanna, before I share my candy stamp on. I know say you're not really going to man in your bartender. But I know you can do it. I'm confident and believe in you.
Yeah, man. We can't deal with them case, man. A policeman and soldier man me used to deal with, you know. And a policeman by me bar. And he used to show me how to shoot the gun, you know. So I know how to keep it on cup.
Rihanna,
Yeah,
come
man.
in the chair now.
The chair, yeah? Where you put it?
Put your eyes.
Alright.
Alright, we're not targeting no candy, just do anything. Come on, Rihanna.
Settle yourself and make sure you stay angry good enough.
Don't say alright.
You know some person like a Candy? They will gun power.
I don't like him.
You know some person like a Candy? They will gun power.
Me not like him.
Yo, I didn't beg me not to hurt your sister, I'm not hurt your sister. Your mad sister, because I be a mad thing going on. You see it going on. You know what I'm saying? But me I said though, you know what I say right now. We are good people. Enough time to give you a tip when I buy things like bar for you know. You're my favorite bartender and I don't understand how you deal like that, you know. I just come for some food. And to me know say I'm not kind, I have to use the weapon. But I won't go pay back some money afterwards still. So we intention was good. We just go about things the wrong way.
Me not sure about what you are telling me, say, you know. You can tell me anything and try to convince me, but me no fool. You come in, you stick me up. My sister come in, you stick him up. My brother-in-law come and stick me up. What kind of gun point you know have fun with? I want him.
When it comes to food in a time like this, food is needs. You know what I mean? When you come at the bar, you want a drink, but food, you can't do without food. 3 days without food, I don't think that's healthy. So I know say a girl part have food, but we can't feed more than half of them about because you have it, you know, you're hard working. I'm hard working too, but you're a woman. When I go to me, I get extra money. So I know say I have money and your money come from foreign. I know say I'm a foreign. Your husband are foreign and things. So they like me now as a sufferer. A simple mathematics, me have them thing here. And them thing they are Jamaica the most. You know what I mean? So I just use it to advantage, but I not kill you. I not hurt you. You get to people like me, so we just start them. We just use it protection, we protect you smartly, but you never dare see that.
Protection?
Yeah, I protect you. The virgin like you do, from far come out of the bar.
Speak for yourself. Come to him. You can't speak for himself.
You take up your mouth, so you go talk.
I'll feel more to stay someone. I saw if he stay.
Well, me I tell him virgin because he like you. You know what I mean? I'm more into different things.
Yeah, I know. You can speak for yourself, you know. But you have to go stay over this one. Serious up. No talking for you.
You can't think that you have to
No man, when I'm ready, I take your time out and him talk. I don't need you to talk for him. But I don't like how he told you just come down pan with so. And come have you upon and need them lockdown thing here. We can't go door, we can't do nothing at all. I don't understand.
No, apart from that though. It's okay for this, so I'm not tell you, you know. But you cook some food tonight, because we have food, you come and find. And a gun pint, roll up, you know.
So you really take away.
I ensure that you don't get food. Didn't I feed you, no girl?
Ensure you're not buying nothing yourself.
Yeah, but I cook it though, because I can't really cook.
Don't worry yourself about food. Because you see which part you know go? You know go get 3 meals a day. No rent to pay. And no rules to obey. You understand?
You know do that to me. Cause you lose too good customer. Remember $1,000 we pay with my bread spend when you get paid? Last fortnight we come to Shelly bar. You drink till almost drunk and you forgot. But tell us after this is done, I go give you a money for the 3 days, then the food you eat, you buy back that. I just to the boss no pay away. We not beg things some people, boss come check you for £1 of flour and tin mackerel. I react a certain way. You hurt the man feelings. You know what I mean? So it's alright then. If we can't get the £1 of flour for you, we spend some money with you. Might as well come chill out on the weekend then. So I owe you somebody for the food we eat. So we are going to like a one big deal. We never shoot on our no. We could not tie up now. Make you walk down the house freely, make you go bed. You know what I mean? And all these things. But everything good though. You want to run. You want to say, man, because I don't have too much long talking tonight still. But man, everything good, man.
Risha? Hello?
Hello?
What go on, girl? Baby,
No, me not.
you know what? Me I come circle you right now, right now. My outer road I come down.
Girl, when you phone me, I didn't know see a curfew time, I know.
Me no response. Me I come look for you right now. Me I walk a come.
Alright, then do it, I do.
Yeah. So make sure you come out.
Yeah.
Alright. It's what?
Yo, where I go? Don't move.
No.
Give me this, man. Yo, you see if I see that face here again. Anyway, you see that face, I make sure you say you don't know that face here. You me tell you? My friend like you too. Say anybody me here say you tell us you see we. And we take your phone from you. You will hear about it. And your mother will hear about it to hear. You hear that? Run off. No, hello, oi. So you go. Go so.
Yeah, what?
You can get girls. Yo, you have to respect the stripe. You get them with all drugs. You get them with any little thing when not illegal for the law. I could have one knife. You can them go to Greenville and you that.
And money me a talk about, money making, you talk about girl.
You talk about money. You think money can breed? Let me teach you something. Money easy to come. You see girls nowadays, it's a good, that's why I'm going to the force. Because my cousin give me the link and I'm coming there. I saw me coming to the force in the car. You see me, I was a thief back then. And so why now my blood can't come out. So even if, you have to understand, getting a girl is hard for me when I was a thief. Now I'm a police, the stripe. You go down upon them, and when you see them with nothing, you just put a gun upon them and say, Mama, come, you go to prison. Right now, me have 1 pound pin down. 50 kilo me catch him with.
What you say? Where am they?
Me let go that man, the one there for me. Not even corporal and so when time me push her out.
But you're a madman.
Madman is
J-Post, you know no sense.
with her.
You know no sense.
Me don't understand.
When you feel like go at the room and your belly, you only got jugs. How much money we can make off of that on the beach? We can reach out to that.
Boy, I don't know what to tell you, say, but the richness they have to go away today. Because me done put her out. And me can't carry her back in. So all she have to do is care what she promised me. You see, if she don't care what she promised me, then you can take charge.
So, what she could have promised you so over money?
The fruit.
Which fruit?
The one that Adam refused.
But you're no madman, J-Post.
God provided, me I take it.
But Jesus Christ, the wrong part that me get. You're no madman, man.
Me glad you know that the wrong partner you get. You say it out of your mouth, you know. Yes, when me I go up on a mission there, I go to Greenville Hotel, don't come with me.
J-Post, God know. Me never know say I say stay. God know. But alright, come on.
What,
miss?
What?
The two wanted man them take on my phone.
Who?
The two wanted man them.
Which wanted man?
Them come on TV, Jay.
Enough of them the panny. Which one?
One of them have red hair, them have big belly, and one of them,
The one that sound like a Red Bull.
in face look
You know
ugly
Red
man,
Bull?
in favor like.
I mean, if you tell about them man there. So
Them
what
round
are
the
When
same.
no, don't pull me. Don't pull me. I'm an officer. Respect this tribe. What you saying now?
Don't they so?
Look, come on, squad it.
We are go.
Call
If you want to live, you run with me.
Mama, where are you? Come here, sir.
No, you forgot there, no, you're police.
Police now? Hold it here.
Watch ya.
Anybody come here shoot. Go on.
Watch ya.
Squad it.
Yeah.
Hold on, sir. Where say road clear? Clear as crystal. Alright, thank you. Alright.
J-Post.
Come, give me back that.
J-Post. How will you just come?
No, man, just call somebody. You what? At lunchtime now, you know. Me and Corporal will take lunch. So you what you going to do? You go down a station, lodge a report, and tell Soup say see we. Just lodge a report and say, the man they rob you now.
So you have to go down there, so I'm go there, so.
Yeah. I go buy egg and bread and I go buy Milo.
Yeah. Yeah, go down there, so go buy my lamb, go buy egg and bread.
Remember some say we should go and shop together.
Listen me, I'm me a big sister, so you go do what me tell you to do, and you not go roll me. And whatever you want to go tell mommy, you go and go tell her.
Hey, look, boy. Come here.
Who's in the shop?
My mother.
I'm like a Senegal shop, and you know say enough Senegal shop like this at this time. So that's my one the money I do, yo.
This is what I do.
It's alright, me get your reward.
Yo. Forward no man, where you there? I must say we have the last something to deal with now. Alright, hurry up man, hurry up. Forward. Alright. Take out any of your pocket. Hurry up, hurry up. Come on, man. Come on, next pocket, next pocket, next pocket. Hurry up, no man. Next. Come, take off this one. Take off this one. Run, man, run. Run!
Yo, make me stop customer, I'm tired.
You might something I want me to do every day while in the Palm Beach. Look, white girl. You see me, friend? And that's how you get replaced up there, you know? Up there, she gone and try to find a white man.
So you let me get replaced? Me no like the location, me no like the work at my place here. Me like the on the beach around the tourists, me get me tip, see them I get white shoes. Me no like work in them area here.
You lucky, you get both. Me one pair of shoes that me did have. When me hear shot, bye! We jump in the agency, soup has near for me. Me can't even make soup to me night. Cause you see soup, every day soup come in, soup sit down and right. And he said man go out in the bad man here and them got, you know the next thing when me do soup, I go and call him and tell him man their wife do away.
We there already man. So how hustling go? Cause when me dey on the beach, you know, Me can hustle tourists now. Them man they will walk and sell on the beach. Me take what they have and sell it back to the tourists. So me make my money and me can get the tip and so. How hustling go right in a fear area so?
Well, this is the ghetto, you know. All me do, we get 2 slices of bread round us and rum and just slice some gunshot because me I tell you say, you see, round here so every day shot fire.
So your belly you live for?
Well, me not nothing to do in I force.
Alright, here what? Me I show you how hustling go. Me I show you my way, how we make money.
Hey there! Hold on! Hey boy! Yo, back up. Where are you running for? Where are you running?
Stand up.
Brother,
Where are
touch
you?
your pocket, brother.
Who I stand up yourself? How I'm tell?
Officer,
A police they deal with you now. How I'm tell?
Where are you?
Yeah, we killed me the officer because I know nothing illegal. Boss, you know, say your daughter me go
What
like boss.
you say?
Boss, daughter me go check.
Hold this here.
Boss, say daughter me go check.
Hold it. That's hold it.
Boss, you have me
Alright.
cranky show your boss.
Alright, can't copy. Pass it give me now. Because no bullet now in there. Jail you go.
Hey, dad, we go check.
Jail you go right now. Right. Yo, it's the first day upon the job. I will solve a case.
Yeah man, that's how you go man. But here how we are going to do now? We are link your parents and we are use a picture there for blackmail them and collect a piece of money off of them and Lego a youth.
AJ!
That sounds like it's a plan because guess what, I'm tired of this. Yo miss, stop this. Where are going with the belt?
No man, I'm a belt to me have on my waist. Not fret man, I don't know worry about.
Me just hear you call a little pitney name. I only hope I don't want a little pitney a beat with a belt, you know. Because listen me now, no? One time when I was young, you know, my mother used to give me some lick, half in yam piece of bulla out of the jar, you know. And I have a part same way, you know. That's why I'm going to the force because I see uno mothers now, we are beating the pitney because of man and because of stress not take you out on the little pitney them. I tell you the truth. The law pass for lock you up. I'm going to mind shooting on the foot. For all the pain and suffering and make you pitney and go through.
I not lick my youth still, you know. And my belt, as I tell you before. I not lick my pitney. I go through too much pain and asking for your butter bruise my baby, you understand? Belt to me around my waist. Nah lick him, man. Just I call him because I can't find him. I don't feel look for him.
I not tell you to look for your youth, you know. But I just warn you. If I get a complaint say mother beat them youth, today, I will not know you, me come for you. Take time, go on. And hurry up to come and say a lockdown. You turn up there? You walk like tick-pop.
Alright, you know. My pitney. When me put you on him, put you back for me. I'm going to kill him with liquor and hold him.
So you say now?
Here me have some business to go deal with, you know. Me have one girl for and some money to go pick up so.
Me man go chop.
So we are going to link up back later.
I go for top and get some rum. Because you know say me love my rum and I be a bad man around there.
Tell you if you love the rum thing there, you know, here, you know.
If I never that the rum them wanna walk around there, say you see I be a bad man there so. Look how more man.
AJ! 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 Anytime you hold AJ, anytime you
Call somebody. Hello, Keisha. What happened? You know, say me send the two pit them go shop. And he lick the two pit them last money. Me see I just give little girl some licking run gone. And AJ him gone too, you know. Me can't find AJ, you know. But you see me find him, you murder him, you know. Alright, then if you see him, you make me know. Alright, then just give me a call. Alright, thanks. AJ! Come here, me not beat you.
Me nah come here go beat me.
AJ, come here. AJ! Hey boy, come here. Hey boy, come here. Hey boy, come here.
Daddy!
Come here. AJ!
Auntie Candy.
What you do? AJ, what you do?
Mommy want beat me.
What you want to beat you for? Come here. Next time you call me from outside, man, you can't run come in a danger like that.
AJ, you want me sir?
I come then come in for me, you know.
You have gun.
What you mean me a gun? Me a go stand make people kill me? As when me tell you before, I come then come in for me for rob me. And they come tell me about them come for lockdown. Lockdown? So they hungry? Hey girl, give me a call. Cause me need to call the police them. A time for them come now. They light out and should have there already.
You know some phone dead though, Candy? Unless you want to go for my next phone, can I come give you?
Yeah man, go see it. Cause me need to make a call. Me need the police them to come right now.
Alright then. AJ, come. AJ, you know, so I can't believe say you really lost the money. You see how the thing set between the whole of when you and your father, nah mind no AJ. You have to just understand, say, me have to go through if you make a little money, or eat a little food. You understand me? Answer me, man.
Yes.
Alright, so more when time I go a little money for go shop, you know, make sure say it's
Just
secure.
give back the thing them, man, and free everything. You know what I mean? Free the lock them. And nothing no go on. We just go and build like nothing no go on. You know what I mean? Because at least the thing go on, we just cook some food and thing. But today last day, tomorrow no free again. So tomorrow should be a day for you get money. Because we get money tomorrow, so we can go and check that piece of money said way.
Me can't put my confidence in a Uno. For trust Uno. Me don't lose my confidence out of Uno and it break. Till it can't break no more. No more confidence no did. You understand? When me come give you back gun now, me no know no up to. Me can't make you go palm hands with my life like that. No.
Oh, you forgot me? My girl, remember I catch you with 50 key of coke, you know? You have to come check me, man. Come over Greenfield Hotel. Yeah, man, come. Check, man, for idiot. Oh, are you this? Hello. My girl, you asked me which family they over Gulf Post. Come to you, man. Yeah. Hurry up too. Thanks, Mr. Greenville, you're come Greenfield, you're come tell me.
So what you call me over here in the bush for?
Remember, I catch you with 50 key, you know?
No, a 10 pound.
Well, anything you can call me can say 50, and me right in the book, I know you. So if you want to go to prison right now, mash up the deal and you see what happen.
Well, anyway, we can't do nothing right now because I might time my month.
I see you, man. Get up! Get up on foot! The last girl sit down by my gun. No shot now, fire out, I get up. What to you? Boom. I hear what? Next month, the 5. The deal is on.
Candy, see phone, I make it call.
Yeah, man. Thank you. But no service now in my room. So I have to go in the living room go make the call. You understand?
Oh, alright.
I want to sit down there so. Give your eye on them two you for me.
Alright.
Any move they make. A matter of fact, you see any little move they make, shoot them.
You can't use it, Candy.
You don't know if you use it?
No, so go on with him, you watch them.
Listen, I don't want you pull the trigger and shoot yourself. So guess what? Stay right there so. Give me a call. Holla for me. Loud.
Yeah, you know me call
Any
you.
move they make. What me say?
Any move.
Okay. Alright. Cool.
Brownie, you know me for a long time, so we're more. And now I'm work and next to your yard, we build the house. Enough time, when we get paid, we send the money come give you for your picnic. You know what I mean? So what you do now, go talk to Candy, we Candy realize some sense in it. Because we spend enough money in bar too. You know what I mean? And if we get locked up, and we're there behind bar, I want phone call. You know you go. So go and go talk to her.
This a phone here ring on them at police station and a big peer busy signal me I get. Phone just a ring and me not get no answer. What to them at police here? Where are the runners so? Me not tell if you watch him and them.
I know me for watch them, you know, Candy, but I go to youth them, you know. Remember, you know them and me know them, you know. I say regular them come support the bar, you know, and them help me with the youth them, you know. So if you understand still, you know, you see it. Good youth them regardless.
People who know you, them will kill you. People who you know will kill you faster.
So this too big on you. Hold on. Police.
I'm the boss.
What you not do with them as eh? What not do with them? Eh? 2 women in a one house. What not do with them? And money will come for still, you know.
Everything
so where there?
for today.
Come on. I bar money will come for. Yo, watch that one.
You well go man, I'm on lockdown.
You're drying man, watch me.
No, I'm all free man. Yeah, boss, yeah. You already have money.
Hurry up, man. Hurry up now. Hurry up now. No, sir. How can I part? But you're not normal. How are you going there, sir? Eh? How can I? A traffic in here, though? But you're big on me, man.
Why I don't know Mr. Salt?
Eh?
How much gunman there in Jamaica?
Oh, yourself, man. The government calls that. Think me did want to turn gunman. Eh? So, hold on. So, now you told me I see you there, man. But anyways, I know that I come about. Yo, where money there? Give me money.
Me have no bag of money, you know. A JPS money me have.
Yo, nobody with the bag of chatting, man. Yo, give me money now. Hold on. Knock me back, John. Give me a card. My pin. Write down a pin. Come, go on. Hold on.
You're browning. A bad man, you know. Brown girl like a man, if they are man foot, you know. But me see I have 2 picnic on your foot. Although I can't mind no picnic.
Little boy, where you do on the road?
Mommy left me up a yard and me look for him.
Where you live?
Round son, but me go check to the Auntie Candy if he done there.
A curfew, you're not supposed to step on the road. Come and carry down, come.
Yes, squaddy.
Yeah, man. Me done do what me do. I little boy, one little boy say he lost and he can't find his mother.
Too much careless mama there about, man. Me I come.
Ma carry me run. You know where Candy live?
Yeah, man. Me know where Candy there.
Alright. Meet me around there, so.
Alright, me I come. Yeah, man. Stay down there. Don't move. Go on, man. Don't move.
Candy. 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 Go in.
Come here. I hear it. I'm shut the door.
You. If you know what you do, give up yourself.
Boy, lap shot and top shot with me. How you do?
You have to call police.
You lap
Go on.
shot in a year.
Alright.
I'll get one of them Glock.
Alright.
So? Yes, boss. Yeah. Gunshot of fire soup.
Boy, that woman and I'm normal in her brother. Me I tell her say yo be a man, me see her around there so lock up in her room. But me rotted. No man, a genocide have to go on at this man, cause you come in a place now. You can't leave you alive, my boss. Can't leave you alive either. We don't left people behind, you know. We don't left evidence. You know your boy.
Nobody kill them.
Yeah, me I tell you. So
I'm a family then.
Shut up. You hear that?
Listen to me now. Me no want you kill them. Me have one little piece of money around there so when me have put on, cause me would have hungry so me no want to give.
Oh, it's a lie. You don't tell me say no money around there. Eh? Yo. Follow him. Look a boy, don't look on me.
You always say money there.
You know I barrel over this one. Down in my barrel. Oh, you know something I forgot? In a drawer over there, so in a dresser drawer.
Whatever, I got there. Shoot down, shoot there.
Over that drawer, the head.
Okay.
Breathe. Yo, yeah, breathe.
Kill me.
Yo, what is it? Candy, yo, look. Look.
Boy, I take too long to Yo, get up. Hold on, get up. Gossa na man. Boy, gossa na. Shh. Wait, gossa na. Boy,
Yo, what really are going on so? What really are going on so? Me need the explanation right now.
Officer, I'm my thief. He my criminal. Other one they save with.
mother was dead in here tonight, you know.
Man, are you?
Freeze, boy! What you do? What you do, boy? What you do? Take, hold on, you big and fat. What in the one put it on the ground?
J-Post, let me deal with the boy. Let me deal with him.
Squad your police.
No man, I want a good one, that ain't good man. Come here.
Tall man.
Watch out, they want to chain up. They want to chain up.
General, good man, the general.
Go down there, sir. Go down there, sir.
Backside! You know who them? The most wanted man and know me turn coming here.
And what you say?
Don't worry, your head, your turn soup. Take him now. Take him
Go
up.
out the beach again. Get up, boy.
It's a lockdown here now. An issue, you know. That's it.
But the amount of things that we go through still, you know, it could never be normal. But anyway, you see all that what we go through, we could forget about that. Because at the end of the day, that the man they save we over here, so you know. Seem like I'm saved we. Tall man, you know, so me appreciate the way you do for we do. And you save we life. All of my life of bartending, none of them the story there, not epic like this a story. We happening at this lockdown thing. You understand? God no. But we're glad me get over it still.
So come, make just end it in the right way.
Know yourself, man.
You can cook up, you can put on a pot.
I can cook some food for now.
And we just drink some liquor and all the vibes.
Yeah man, drink or no one drink, you know?
So get the liquor them.
Can I watch you now? You know, so me we come beg all the tin mackerel and the pound of flour. I not never intention did for me say come lock down the place, you know. But she make me feel all the way, my feelings all the day too, you know. But watch you now. Mama said I'm say all the boy I try for you take all the little money we say feel like Bill. You just have to show him a gunman skill. Yeah man. I like us tell Mama, I mean you can go out for your date anytime already. Just call my number.
Who is it?
I'm me, man, and J-Post.
Come inside, the door is open.
Yeah. You know, so you me come for link. Just book the boy them. You see what go on a while ago? It was not normal. Them man they all murderer, all thief. So when me friend come back and see them. Come in, I expect to come see them, the man they here. So, well, I give thanks to my friend. He is a hero.
Big up my general.
He is a hero. But as a virgin still, I hit the comfort.
Where you come from, boss?
The tool. I hit the comfort. I can't understand it.
So I heard me, boss. You don't have to use and protect the people. Man.
You know me want this for now? You will soon know. So anyway still, what I never plan to do?
You know, so we have time to keep on party a little more, but no rum not there. But we will get rum later, man, so you can come
Oh, you get rum later?
Yes, man.
Me come back. Feel me bad boy. Remedy.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
But if you have a keep party, you take in crowd, and a lockdown time, you have to be careful of all the people you want to take in.
Squaddy. We no business about that. This when bro got leg on the big party them, I spread it. So you see this a party, I just move there so.
And the criminal, what the party them, I let in the criminal them that me not talk about.
Criminal are in the church. Me don't know what you talk about.
J-Post them a criminal are different.
Alright, burn it up.
Alright, Rasta.
Remember, say me owe you a thing in the J-Post.
Remember, you know.
Big up yourself in the squad.
And a flash no one this time, you know.
Buckle your beat, Jana. Buckle.
Tell about the rum thing there, you know.
Rum shall kill I.
Yeah, love rum, you see.
What do you want to eat, honey?
I'm gonna eat some crushed ice, some curry shrimp babes.
Alright, don't say party. I'm going to look about it for you.
So fire, so what we going to do in the morning?
Well, right now, lockdown no reopening. We're not done work until we get some money. You know what I mean? After when I do that. So, let's say I go and brace and so I go and we have to tool them, you know. But we not move like a way the fool then. So, if no money no run, we just not do no work. We just go and build so till money come and we all take all the day too.
Still in a fire. We have to make job every work, you know, because the amount of work we do, you know. And to the way my daily do it, I make sure I'm pay for every inch of work for you.
The lockdown, yeah. It's a lockdown we don't in a history book. Yeah, the police were coming to the place in force, you know.
Lucky Sarah made one save him, you know. Bossy, what going? No, bossy, we not start doing no work, you know, because you know. We do so much work for you and see you just turn your back power on the weekend and give you no money, boss, and so much work what we do for you. So I think you should have come talk about say, yo, if you do no work. I think you tell you some money for reach you in idea.
I'm talking there.
Yo, fire one give a chat.
Yo, more understand say, you know, we are the builder of Jamaica, you know. And we are the underpaid, we still work same way. You know what I mean? No matter how far this steel weighs, the cement weighs, we still not go up. You know what I mean? And every day we are working and build a place, daddy. You know, say lockdown will come down. I man, them want to vote for lockdown in the country, you know. So enough ensure say people who work for, you know, get money, daddy. You see, the labor of them, you know how them survive it. You know what I mean? Because if me and Mason, I'm from Virginia, so Mason said we. You know what I mean? What do you think about the man who get less money, daddy? You know, if you know, nada, you know. I want to make the country vile, you know. This a move, you know, no mood of me this morning. After, yo, I just one thing, I just through the weekend work over a different way, get some food to eat. I tell her, would I dead for hungry by now? You know what I mean? So, when if you know nada, you pay a yard. You see, if anybody's so far you live, we find a yard. You know what I mean? I'm going to see have a big dog, them kill a couple of dogs, them and come in your house. Come eat food, because lobster and them sitting down up on the yard and them sitting there about food that did there. No, nada, man. Yo, talk to them, I'm coming to a long talk in the morning, you know, you not even know, you know.
Ah, boss, I'm glad you're here, me I say. What color car? Fire him, so I'm line up it with him secretary to deal with it now. Yeah, man, quicker clock, boss. Quicker clock. We there and wait. Quicker clock. We there and wait. We there and wait. Alright.
Mama called me, so she forward down. You know, today.
Come like your days in the week nicer than your weekend, man.
She pregnant again. So
Wow.
rough, but you know that's the day after. Just make some youth come on road, you know what I mean? So next one upon the way, so I'm all alive, you know you go.
Anyway, we are work still, so anything possible, youth, anything.
Fourth youth now. You know what I mean? So
yeah, watch it. Sound like a man calling, you know.
Check out the man.
Boy, fire, come like the boss, real, you know. Two in give you know, one for you and one for me, you know. Long time in fair do this thing and fire. Long time I must be set up with some aid that you see me. Fire. Where this a boss here take with for? Labor and money this same send come give you, you know. This is not trade man, money.
Karl Marx, I'm going.
Let me deal with man.
I'm going to mistake you, man.
No man, this is more than a mistake. A labor and money, this is one day money then. It's not pure for we all away and work for them.
Carl, no, you must say.
Bossy, what go on? No, everything not good, you know. You can't give chain man money, labor and payment, G. What this? Yo, talk to fire right now, yeah, man.
Burn it down. Yeah, where's that going now? Oh. We're going to still. Alright, if I saw you saying, remember say your place your work for daddy. You know what I mean? What you do now, I tell you what you do. If you see somebody drop off a piece of money a while ago, make him drop off the said package for the labor of them too. And then you formalize the rest of the money. But by tomorrow or the next day, because I know say through the rush, I open up back in the man, you know, everything not formulated. But the way I say now, you have to start plan the thing ahead. Yeah man, just do it though. Yeah. If we get the money in time, we do some work today. If money not come in time, some other kind of money I go buy some food and just chill out. So make it, if you come in time, you can pay labor of them because you know, we alone and labor them to get for their money this morning too. You know what I mean? Ah.
Yeah, I hear my boss say. I want you to get this in your head, you know. The work run as how your money run. And the work done as how your money run. So you say if you not pay the money, bossy, nobody feel like say you got money work and not get no pay, you know. So you just do it for yourself and you get our thing.
Now where's your go there now?
Yeah man, everything good.
Cut him off my phone, because he's not being fun.
They chat him there for you know.
Alright. Let me ask you, where go there now?
Well, I have to put on a piece of food to my woman come down, you know.
I think sir for dinner, daddy. We go check Candy.
Yeah, I'm
Because-
just like to tell you,
Yeah, man.
she was a day
You can squeeze her a little bit, she can buy back to run, put in her shop, and I go. So.
So what one candy?
How you deal with?
Check me come to check yesterday, you know. But me never come for H too long, you know. I fire some for give her thing, you see me? So I'm come give and call it come more, we come shell down the bar, it come more, you see me? So if you tell you later, we come shell down the bar, yeah? So just stack up your bar with that, yeah?
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, bless up yourself.
Yes, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Yeah, man. I want to break them chains. You know what I mean? So you see with the chains, but them chains are quicker than the one who slavery go through, you know what I mean? But we want to break it. Because that you know, you know. If you're from Jamaica, you're out in the world, that chain is still around me. You know what I mean? If you round your vice, don't know why you say things when it's so nice. But anyway, make it handle so. So now. Alright. So the movie just watched a while ago, Lockdown. It's the finale. You know what I mean? I hope it makes some sense in the end, because we stay true to the words that we say. You know what I mean? Violence is not really necessary. And sometimes life pushes you to it, you know what I mean? But still, try not to do it. Try to be more compassionate for the situation of each other. You know what I mean? Because some of the time we fight for all things in our life and when we have it, and next one those things say it come by accident or overnight. You know what I mean? So, not hurt each other. Because I know we make a situation where the inner that we are. You know what I mean? It's just the way life is and the way it was designed. You know what I mean? So they teach you one thing, but the reality is the next thing. You know what I mean? So, where reality is concerned, a lot of things are going when nothing go on and we can't talk about it because we don't need to read. Read between the lines them, you know what I mean? Try to see between the blinds them, you know what I mean? Because there's a lot of things going on, but my people, be strong, you know what I mean? Yeah, and as we try to entertain and try to keep ourselves safe in this world that's not so safe, you know what I mean? But big up to all of the support of them, big up to all of my fans them, you know what I mean? Yeah, big up to the members them, you know what I mean? Big up to the producer them, you know what I mean? Radio Vibes, Antoinette, Jules, and overall settings, you know what I mean? And we have a few potential producers on the list now that we're trying to make some arrangement to facilitate. We have a new producer now, we're going to start a film for her soon. But as we go along, you hear about it, you know what I mean? So we're in casting now and trying to cast properly. So we try to cast away from the virus, you know what I mean? That's taking over. So pray for us, you know what I mean? Because our life is risky. It's risky, you know what I mean? Yeah, we take what it takes to do what we do, you know? So now we are more than just actors and writers. We are actually warriors, trying to fight to survive, you know what I mean? And try to survive, and not only that, entertain my fans and my family and my friends worldwide. So big up on yourself, man, and help us to go 100K. We're on the road to 100K. You know what I say? We're on the road to 100K. We're not the fourth on it, you know what I mean? So just do your thing. Call your family, call your friends, tell your cousins, say, yo, subscribe, man. And if you watch the movie and like it, subscribe. You know what I mean? Please do subscribe because it's necessary, you know what I mean, to forward what we are doing. You know what I mean? You never watch it. You subscribe yet? Go and subscribe now, man. See you like the movie, subscribe. Just click the button and the notification. You know what I mean? Subscribe now. Watch it, you watch it? Yo, you may talk to you now, but subscribe now. You know what I mean? Hit the subscription, the notification bell. Hit the notification bell. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground.
Thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to create this wonderful content for you guys. And remember, big up on yourself. Big up to all the official members. And if you're not a member, sign up right now for official membership just to support the movement. And if you can't sign up from where you are, tell somebody that live in the state or live in Canada or England to sign up to Richard Brown Films official membership. Alright, we want to big up a few people before we head out. Alright, so big up to Jules, big up to Antoinette, big up to Elaine, as always. Big up to Damien, one of our long-time subscriber, and big up to the Bully team. They're always supporting what we do. They love the content and they show support by providing us with some Richard Brown shirt and also some Bully shirt. So head over to Bully on Instagram and also Austria Records and follow them and see what they're doing and support their movement. Thank you to everybody that keep on sharing up the content all over on social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram. We appreciate it. That's how the movement is going to grow. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. And remember, share up the content so we can reach here fast. Yeah, man. So look out for the next movie that we're going to post. We're working on some brand new content. Big up to all the sponsors. Big up to all the persons who are producing movie with us. Big up on yourself. We have some great content coming for you guys. Alright? So big up on yourself. Continue to support what we do and follow and subscribe to all the channels that we have. Richard Brown Films, Jamie Wood over there, Richard Brown Films BTS. That's all the channel that is providing some wonderful content for you guys. So big up on yourself. Continue to support.
Yes, now we're at the home of the suspect who been catfishing Gerald. Now Gerald, you know Gerald, you see him in the program, thought he was talking to a big, sexy, big woman over 45. You know what I mean? Because Gerald is 70, going to older. Alright, so different from that though. So now we're at the location. Papa is on the next side, checking out a next lead. So I'm gonna find the catfisher here, but there's two participants that's been doing it, you know, because I have one over there and one over here. So I'm there on this case here. So I'm do the research and I ping the address and the telephone number to this location. So I'm near to it. I'm near to it. Hello. Come outside. Yes, come. You know my face? I'm doing I'm the person that does research catfish. I heard that you've been, I don't know, we can't figure it. So you must be the person. Where's your phone?
Inside.
Yeah, come, get the phone from him. I need to know all of the information them and all of the things them. And you need to talk to me and tell me why. Can I come inside the house?
Yeah.
You can come. Yes, it's pink. It's the same thing. So, you have any reason why you've been doing this catfish? But did somebody do something to you?
No.
So
I never did do a catfish.
No, but it's you who use this phone a lot. Is you use the phone?
Mm-hmm.
But it's on it. You can see people in Jamaica, they are dishonest sometimes. She won't admit the fact, and I cannot pressure her, but stay tuned for the full episode. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to get down to it. Come, let's have a meeting in the chair. I don't know why a young girl like you want to mess with a 70-year-old man. Why did you look at that data? Who are these? Why did you send him these pics? Look at these pics that I sent to him. Where you get these pics from? Who for pics is them here?
People.
Oh, you make him send you a picture, man. So him send you a lot of pictures.
So how that concern you?
No, I am the investigator. I need to make you realize that you're doing something wrong. You know,
sorry, take a camera out of my face now.
it's rough. Anyway, see you in the next episode.